Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Roblox support tickets. So, if you've recently submitted a request form or a support form on Roblox, you should receive a support ticket in your mailbox. Let's open up our mailbox so I can show you the support ticket. As you can see, I have the Roblox support section here, so let's go ahead and open it. By default, this is the Roblox support ticket you'll receive. It contains some of your information and a reference number for your support case. The only thing you need to do now is wait for your ticket to be assigned to a real person on the Roblox support team. Once a support agent has received your ticket, they'll contact you using your reference number. You may need to wait a few hours or even a few days for them to respond. When they do, they'll provide instructions on how to resolve your issue. If you need to contact Roblox again, they might ask if you already have a reference number. In that case, simply provide it and they'll be able to continue working on your ticket. So, the main thing to do here is wait for Roblox support to reach out with further details on how to fix your problem. And that's about it. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.